On your smartphone, open a browser and search for Steam. All you have to need to open the Steam website. Tap this menu, tap on Sign In. From Sign In page, tap on Create an Account. Enter here our email address to create a Steam account. Confirm here your email address. Now select here your country. Then tap on I'm a human and verify the CAPTCHA. Then check this option and tap on Continue. And now open the Gmail app and make sure you have selected the exact Google account. And here you will find a Steam verification mail. Open the mail and tap on Verify my email address. And we can see the email address successfully verified. Now go back to Steam and here write a name for your Steam account. Must need a unique name for your Steam account. Then create a strong password here for your account and tap on Done. And that's it. As you can see, my Steam account successfully created.